Good evening. Today I'm going to try and change what I'm doing artistically, so I'm going to perform yoga and start reading poetry instead. Naked, of course. No, I'm joking. That would be weird. Thanks, all 10 of you viewers. I appreciate you. A broke down engine that just won't start. Had so much potential, but the transmission's all ripped apart. Ain't no fuel good enough to make the wheels wanna spin. Every time I begin to roll, I break down again. So I'll go down to the junkyard, where my friends pour those oils I enjoy. For any broke down engine, it is my only joy. Mechanic tried to fix me, but some things cannot be made right. Some engines are so troubled they lose the nuts and bolts they need to fight. So I belong in the junkyard, where I can avoid the mechanic's wrench. I belong in the junkyard, 'cause a skunk can't smell its own stench. So I'll go back to the junkyard, where my friends pour those oils I enjoy. For any broke down engine, that is our only joy.